What up, Becker Trekkers?
Well, the Becker Trekkers are at it again. This time, we brought in a few more characters. We are on family holidays on Mar Lake in Sicamous, BC. We had an amazing time reconnecting with our family after 14 long months. Watch out for our upcoming hilarious boat trip and other destinations we visited in beautiful British Columbia.
Happy holiday!
Alright, Becker Trekkers, this is a view from my floating chair. It's pretty nice. We're in the beautiful Mar Lake, Sicamous, BC. Cabins and boats and sea-doos. Just gorgeous here. We're just having a chilling day, swimming and floating on the lake. It's very relaxing. Beautiful, gorgeous day, 30 degrees Celsius. Get a view of the kitties here. Yeah, they're over there on the beach. Grammy's reading under the tent, and I'm floating away over to the neighbors.
Guys, epic water fight is starting now. Shh, let's go.